Hello, friends. So first of all, I want to thank you for choosing this course. Because of this course, which is going to cover After Effects at the most basic level, you will learn a lot of new information and, well, gain a new perspective in the world of design. So I'll tell you a little bit about the course. It will consist of 3 different parts: Introduction, Essential, and Creative Stage. So in the first part, we'll get to know the Adobe After Effects program in great detail. We will explain the installation of the program, and then later we'll examine the After Effects interface right down into its finest configurable details. Answer a bunch of basic questions such as the timeline panel and what is a composition panel and what's the project panel. All right, so once we're familiar with the interface, we'll be able to move on to the second part, which is where we're going to examine many important issues in a very simple, straightforward, and understandable way as possible. We will get into some simple video editing and drawing shapes and simple animations, as well as some color effects, masking, and what a lot of people are into these days, 3D animation. And listen, there's so much more that we can do here in this section. And then finally, in the last part, we will do some pretty advanced stuff using all of the information that you have learned. So if you want to get the latest and greatest and learn how to use After Effects from a very understandable source, I recommend you stick around. So I'll see you throughout the course.